Hello students, good morning to all. Welcome back to our maths class. Before we getting into the lesson, let's recall our previous class. Our first unit is what? Geometry. First unit is geometry. Here you learned 2D shapes, isn't it? Okay, let's see 2D shape. In previous class, you have learned what is plane figure. A shape that can be drawn on a plane surface is called plane figure. Yes, here we have some example for plane figure or 2D shape. Square, rectangle, triangle, circle, semicircle and pentagon. Then we learned how to draw a circle using bangles or coin or etc. See, by using bangle, by using coin and you can use CDR. Then we learned about quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means what? Yes, all the four sides are closed figure is called quadrilateral. All the four sides are closed figure is called quadrilateral. Yes, it has four sides. How many sides, children? Four sides. Count the sides. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So how many sides are there? Four sides are there. And the vertices also four vertices. What are those? A, B, C, D. So how many vertices are there? Four vertices. Then diagonals. How many diagonals are there? Yes, two diagonals. A and C, B, D. So how many diagonals are there? Two diagonals there. Two diagonals. See, the opposite corners are joined, no? That is called diagonal. A line towards opposite corners. A, opposite of A is C. So a line towards A and C is called one diagonal, and a line towards B and D is another diagonal. So totally in quadrilateral, two diagonals are there. Okay. Then we saw examples of quadrilateral also. What are those? Yes, square, rhombus, rectangle, trapezium and parallelogram. Today we are going to learn many things about these example only. Children, can you see the 5 examples of quadrilateral? Yes. The first one is square. Repeat the spelling after me. Square. Yes. Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Rhombus. R-H-O-M-B-U-S. Rhombus. Then parallelogram. Parallelogram. P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L-O-G-R-A-M. Parallelogram. Then trapezium. T-R-A-P-E-Z-I-U-M. Trapezium. Okay, let's see the properties of this 5 figure. The first one is square. See, can you see the square shape here? Yes. Okay, we'll see how many sides are there in a square. Children, now we'll give name for this figure. A, B, C, D. Okay, next we'll find out the side. A and B is one side, and B and C is second one, and C and D third one, and D and A fourth one. So totally how many sides are there in a square? Four sides are there. How many sides are there in a square? Four sides are there. And four sides are equal in length. In a square, four sides are equal. We'll see. A and B equal, B and C equal, C and D. equal D and A. So all the four sides are equal in square. Then next we will find out vertices. 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 How many vertices are there? Yes, these four corners only known as vertices. So A is one vertex and B is second vertex and C is third one and D is fourth one. So in a square, how many vertices are there? Yes, four vertices are there. A, comma B, comma C, comma D. So four vertices are there. Then we see diagonals. DIGONALS. Diagonals. Diagonals means what? What I taught you? Yes, a line towards opposite vertices is known as diagonals. See, for A, what is opposite vertex? C. So for A, what is opposite vertex is C. So a line towards A and C is known as diagonal. So likewise, a line towards B and D known as another diagonals. In a square, totally how many diagonals are there? Two diagonals. How many diagonals are there? Two diagonals. Then the diagonals also equal in length. Diagonals also equal in equal in length. For example of square is carom board, chess board. Okay, now we'll see rectangle. See, in rectangle how many sides are there, children? Yes, four sides are there. So, what is that? PQ, QR, RS, SP. So, in a rectangle how many sides are there? Four sides are there. But here, only opposite sides are equal. Not all the sides are equal, only opposite sides are equal. So, PQ equal to SR, PS equal to QR. Okay, children. Next vertices. We will see vertices. So, how many letters are there? Four letters. So, how many vertices are there? Four vertices. P is a one vertex and Q and R and S. Yes. So, how many vertices are there in a rectangle? Four vertices. Then, diagonals. Here also we have two diagonals. A line towards P and R is one diagonal and Q and S is another diagonal. So, totally we have two diagonals here. So, but the diagonals also equal in length in rectangle. Diagonals also equal in length in rectangle. In a square and rectangle, diagonals are equal. Okay. Example of rectangle, mat and blackboard. Now rhombus. Sides. In rhombus, how many sides are there? Yes. 1, 2. See. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides are there, children? Yes. 4 sides are there. Here also 4 sides are equal. 4 sides are equal. 4 sides are equal. Now we'll see vertices. How many vertices are there, children? Yes, 4 vertices. See, L, M, N, O. 4 vertices. L, M, N, O. In rhombus also 4 vertices are there. Then diagonals. OM. OM is a one diagonal and LN is a another diagonal. So we have two diagonals here, but the two diagonals are not equal in length. The two diagonals are not equal in length in rhombus. Not equal in rhombus two diagonals are not equal. Next, Example of rhombus, kite and tiles. Next we have parallelogram. See, W, X, Y, Z. I given the name. Okay, now we'll write the sides. Okay, in parallelogram, how many sides are there? 4 sides are. What is that? W and X, X and Y, Y and Z, and Z and W. Here also we have 4 sides. But opposite sides are parallel and opposite sides are equal in length. In parallelogram, opposite sides are what? Parallel, and opposite sides are equal in length. So, WX equal to opposite side is what? Z and Y. Z and Y. Next, Z and W equal to X and Y. Yes, in parallelogram, opposite sides are only equal. So, vertices. We'll see vertices now. How many vertices are there? Yes, same 4 vertices. W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. 4 vertices are there. And diagonals. Two diagonals are there. Then finally we have trapezium. Trapezium also 4-sided figure. The pair of one sides are parallel. The pair of one sides are parallel. See, now this side and this sides are parallel in trapezium. Did you understand, children, what I taught now? Now we'll see exercise 1.1a. Fill in the blanks. First question. All closed 4-sided figures are called quadrilateral. All 4 sides closed figure called quadrilateral. Say quadrilateral spelling, children. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. All the 4 sides closed figure called quadrilateral. Then second question. A dash has 4 equal sides and equal diagonals. Yes, square only. A square only has 4 equal sides and equal diagonals. Say square spelling. Yes, Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Third question. The opposite sides of a dash are equal. Opposite sides are equal in what shape? Yes, rectangle. Say rectangle spelling, children. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Fourth one. A dash has no sides. Yes, circle. In circle shape only, no sides. C-I-R-C-L-E. Say circle spelling. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. So a circle has no side. It has full curved line. Fifth question. Diagonals are equal in dash and dash. In which 2 figures diagonals are equal? Yes, square and rhombus. Square and rhombus only diagonals are equal. Say square spelling, children. Yes, Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Rhombus. R-H-O-M-B-U-S. Rhombus. Now we have write the names of the sides and diagonals. Third and fourth I will do it for you, and first and second one you do it yourself. Okay, children, now we will find out the sides and diagonals of these 2 figures. Okay, the first one is what? Parallelogram figure. Okay, we will find out the sides now. First, how many vertices are there? 4 vertices. P, Q, R, S. So, PQ is a one side and QR is a second side, and RS equal to, RS is a third side and SP is a fourth side. And how many sides are there? 4 sides are there. Okay, now we will write the names here. P, Q. So you have to write like this. PQ is a one side, comma, QR. QR is a another side, and RS is a third side, and SP is a fourth side. So 4 sides are there in a parallelogram. Next, diagonals. Okay. How many diagonals are there? 2 diagonals. Now we will see the letters. QS. QS is a one diagonal, and PR. PR is a second diagonal. So we have 2 diagonals. Okay. Likewise, we have to find in the all the figure. Okay. Sides. First vertices EF, GH. So we will write the sides now. EF is a one side, and second one, and third one, and fourth one. So how many sides are there, children? 4 sides are there. Now we will write the names here. EF. EF is one side. Then FG is second side. GH is third side, and HE. H is fourth side. So we have finally 4 sides. Then diagonals. Diagonals also same how you found it here. Likewise, you have to found it here. See, EF is one diagonal. Sorry, EG is one diagonal. Then FH. Then FH is another diagonal. So children, I done it 2 figure for you. Then rest of the 2 figure is homework for you.